Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing the unit and protecting yourself. Park level, chalk wheels, and set the brakes so nothing moves. Next, shut down the reefer control power and isolate the 12V or 24V battery circuit to prevent shorts. Put on gloves and safety glasses. Locate the battery box, check the voltage and polarity, and jot down any alarm codes or settings. This prevents surprises when you reconnect. Once done, you're ready to remove the battery cover and prepare tools. You now focus on safe removal. Always loosen and remove the negative terminal first, then the positive. That reduces short risk. Remove any hold-down clamps and lift the battery straight out with a strap or get assistance if it's heavy. Inspect the tray, cables, and terminal connectors for corrosion or damage. Clean lightly with a baking soda solution if needed and rinse. Make sure venting paths are clear and the cable insulation is intact. Once the old battery is out, prepare the replacement for installation. You're installing the new battery now. Place it with correct polarity and secure the hold-downs, tight enough to prevent movement but not crushing the case. Connect the positive terminal first, then the negative, and apply a thin film of terminal grease to inhibit corrosion. Restore power to the reefer, verify system voltage, and run the unit's self-test to clear alarms. If the reefer reports low voltage or won't start, recheck terminal tightness and cable integrity. A loose ground is the most common culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.